This is the Paso Manor refrigerator. Got one of those big ass ones, but I want to show you what I did yesterday. I cleaned the refrigerator. Our refrigerator never looks like this. Look at that. Look at that. Eggs. Not many right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oranges. All the way from Florida. Apples. There's nothing in there. There's some chicken soup for tonight. That cantaloupe's for the birds, for the chickens. Margarita mix. I threw away all the beer. Because who knows? I think it had been, it expired. And we're just not big beer drinkers, especially in the winter. We'll get fresh beer. But anyway, that's the Paso Manor refrigerator. Clean and empty.